Hello, this is Michael Jensen. You can see my name, my cell phone number, my email address. If you want to reach out to me, say hello, introduce yourself, make a friend, pray together, brainstorm together, come up with marketing tips and ideas together, help each other, bless each other, and be a friend. You can contact me there. I want to show you this morning or this afternoon, I turned my phone on after waking up from a nap and I had a referral because last night I was busy making videos about this program. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to log in, and sometimes when I log in, I'm pleasantly surprised because there are people in my matrix. We receive either $3 a month or $7 a month from these members. So you can see my ID number right there, MJ8014. I'm going to sign in. There's my referral links. There's the homepage link, the capture pages. There's a whole lot of stuff on this website. But I'm going to click on genealogy just to look at my team. The last time I looked, I had 19 people below me on my team. Genealogy. So I'm working on my level 4 and my level 3, and my level 2 is not complete either. You can see the one blinking right there. Ferris D. He needs referrals. He just signed up under me. And if I hold my finger on his name, he fell under one of my legs in my first level. I have 3 people on my first level. Donald is the third person. So Donald receives spillover. That's the parent. The sponsor is Michael Jensen, you can see, and sponsor ID is MJ8014. That's my ID number. Donald's ID number is DP2107. Ferris Deloney, he's also got a YouTube channel. He was watching my videos that I was posting last night, and he received a flyer in the mail. So he was on the internet looking up information about this opportunity because he heard about it from a flyer that somebody else mailed to him. So you can see 11/12/2024. Right now it is the 13th at 3:46 in the morning. November 13th right now. And he signed up yesterday because it's late at night right now. And it says Fast Start bonus. I received $25 Fast Start. It says yes. Ferris Deloney is his name. His ID number is FD6025. So if you can, write down that FD6025 number, and I can give you a link to sign up under him to help him get his 3 people. I'm helping all these people on my team to get their 3 people. You can sign up as many people as you want. You can have as many customers as you want. You can have as many distributors under you as you want, but there's only 3 people in the structure. So you can see Michael C, Michael Carlson, Jared M, Donald Pedersen. Those are the 3 people in my first level. You can see at the top it says level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. There are 7 levels in this opportunity. 7 people get paid every time somebody joins or purchases the products from this opportunity. You can see my level 3, it has 9 people. 3, 6, 9, and 1. There's 1 person in level 4. So if I look at my notes here that I was writing down earlier, like I said, level 1 has 3 people. That's full. Michael, Jared, and Donald. Level 2 has 9 people because those 3 people in the first level get 3 people, and then level 2 will be 9 people total. I only have 6 people right now. So I need 3 more people to come in to fill my second level. There's also another good thing about level 2 is level 2 pays $7 per person every month. This is a residual income, passive income, long-term program. Yes, you can receive spillover. I have received a bunch of spillover. And I've received spill under or build under from somebody that is below me. You might have a go-getter, a really good marketer above you, and you might have a really good marketer below you, which will help you either way. I do get spillover from Rob, which is above me, and then those people fall below you and below me, and then they fall under these other people if they don't have their own 3 people. You can make money in this program without sponsoring anybody, without signing up anybody, but you need to be patient. Too many people, they come in, they wait a month, they don't see anything happening, and they don't pay the next month. They pay $30 one time. I get my $25 fast start bonus, and when their due date comes up 30 days later, I guess they chicken out, they're afraid, they don't believe, they don't have patience, they just drop out. They don't pay the monthly residual income. Sometimes other marketers, they just want to test the waters and they will test it for a month, and if nothing happens, I've had 3 people do that. They've signed up for 1 month. When their due date came around, they didn't want their credit card. They didn't want to pay the extra 30 for the next month because they got no spillover. But you have to be patient for like 3 months. I didn't get any spillover for like 2 months or 3 months. Then when I started getting spillover, somebody on my team under me was going crazy and signed up about 11 people that I didn't even sponsor, but they're paying me every month because 7 people get paid every time somebody pays their $30 monthly purchase subscription. So I didn't bring all these people in. You got 3, 6, 9, and 1. You got 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 9 is 18, 19 people. I have 19 people here, but I didn't bring all these people in, and you don't have to either. But if you want spillover, or if you want to receive bonuses for other people that are really good marketers and really good sales reps and distributors above you or below you, you need to be patient. Wait at least 3-4 months, because there's a lot of people ahead of you, above you, that you can't even see. They're getting their spillover, but eventually you will get spillover because somebody is bringing in new customers, new leads. They're acquiring customers. Yes, we have a lot of products, and I can go over those in a little bit. It's a worldwide global opportunity. This is worldwide. You can receive money and payments and get paid every month worldwide through different apps and different ways to get paid. You can also pay the admin in several different ways too. There's a way for people globally to receive money and to send money to the admin, the monitor of the program. It's a 4-year-old company, but he just changed it just shortly before I joined. And I joined in, I want to say I joined in July. I'm not, July, August, September, October. I think I joined in July. And it took me like 2 months to get spillover. But I wasn't really worried about it because I'm excited about this program. I was signing up my own people. But once you get spillover, it really gets you pretty hyper. It gets you excited. You're making money by doing nothing. That's the passive income part of it. When I get busy and I make a bunch of videos and put a bunch of ads out there, I see activity. Like last night, I uploaded probably 6 or 7 videos about this opportunity last night. Some were short videos that were 58 seconds or less, and some videos were 6 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, talking about exactly what I'm talking about here, showing people my back office. This is a screenshot. You're seeing my back office. These are 9 people that are in my level 3. When that level 3 is full, there will be 27, because 9 times 3 is 27. 9 people times 3 people below them. When that's full, it'll be 27 people. So the first level has 3 people. The second level, I have 6. There's a total of 9. So I need 3 more people to fill in my level 2. Hopefully I'm not confusing you and you can follow along. I'm looking at my notes on the table. Level 3 has 27 people. Level 4 has 81 people because 27 times 3 is 81. I have one person. So there's 80 more people that are going to fill level 4. Where are those people going to come from? They're going to come from level 3 and level 2.